If you want to classify your notes that you have inside of Google Keep, that is to make them unique so it's easy to search them and so forth, then you can go around and attach labels to them. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around onto this particular note, click over here, and then you can go around and attach a label to it by going around onto the More button right here. Once I go around, I'm going to click on Add Label, and I can go around and type in any label that I want and click on Create Label right here. So you can see a little label attached to this particular note. I'm going to go around and add in another label as well, like Tutorial, and click on Create Tutorial, and you can see that it is added over here as well. So something like a label is attached, and we know that it is related to two of these contents right here. Let me just go around and say keep right here, just like this, and click on create keep, and you can see that this is what you have right here. I can go around and attach out these same labels in the other notes as well. Let's say I want to go around over here. I can go around onto more and click on add label, and let's say I'm going to go around and attach two labels to it just by selecting. I can add an additional label over here as well, and let me just go around and say example over here and click right here. If I were to go around over here, I can go around onto let's say add label again and select it out. So on the left side, you can start seeing all of the labels right here. So if I were to go around onto the left side, I can click on example, and all the notes with the example label pops up right here. You can go to keep, and you can go to tutorial right here. You can go over here onto TutorTube, and you can see all of the labels pop up. You can also go around onto edit labels, and you can go around and then delete out the labels that you don't want, or you can go around and create a new label right here according to how you want and add it in from there as well. So you can see that you can go around and edit it. So I'm just going to go around and say TutorTube channel, press the tick mark, and the label will be updated, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can go around and add in and manage labels inside of Google Keep. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.